Hey, Dan Passarelli here. One of the really important candlestick patterns, not even a pattern really, it's just a type of candlestick that everyone should know what they are, is called a doji. Now let's take a look at a doji at the time that I was recording this, which was, not that long ago. So here we have actually two dojis in a row. And if we zoom the lens just a little bit here, we can see that this candle right here, it has a very small body. That means that it closed at about the same price that it opened. This one also closed at about the same price that it opened. That is what's called a doji. Now they could have little wicks, which is the high and the low range of the day, or they could have bigger wicks. And if we go back a while here, we see one right here that has bigger wicks. Here's one right here too that has bigger wicks. But these are just kind of little ones. Dojis represent uncertainty, indecision. And sometimes it could be one clue that maybe the market is deciding which direction, and there could be a turnaround in direction. Now, this was being recorded between Christmas and New Year's. That's when a lot of traders take off. So it really might just mean nothing. It might mean there's not a lot of trading happening. And we can look at the volume down here, and that definitely was the thing for the red one 2 sessions ago. Even the one here on this session, it's definitely a little below average as far, or really towards the bottom part of the range for this 6 months as far as volume goes. So probably it just means there's not a lot of trading and not a lot of interest during this holiday week. If it were not a holiday week, I would consult something to cross-check it that could be a much stronger indicator and maybe even a signal, something like RSI. So if I see a doji when we're near the top of the range, well, we were at the top of the range in this previous session, I go and I look at RSI to see if strength is indeed waning. And if it is, then that gives me a much, much stronger clue, and I can further explore to see if there'll be a market reversal. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Trade smart.